Welcome to Eyeniversum. This is a short guide on for freelancers on how to post a service and how a freelancer works at all. And yes, this is the web page, eyeniversum.com. And here, I hope you use the desktop version because the desktop version is the better version. On the phone, it will not be really ideal to post things and to work at all in general. We will improve that part, but for now this is specialized on desktop. So you will see here some icons. See here these two icons, this alien and this support. This is the support button. Here you can check for more information. Alien, this means this is to log in. And here these icons, these are the different services and the different platforms that we have all in one. Here you see online courses, markets, and here is the freelancer. Here are jobs. So for the freelancers, they will go here. You need to hover on it, so, and then go on freelancer, and that will be the part of the freelancers. But let's say you are not signed up now, so you need to sign up first. So you will click on the alien here, and something like this will happen. You will have this picture in front of you. And if you were already signed up, so you would write the email and the password, but since you are not signed up, you need to sign up first. So you click on sign up and you will get this window. Okay, here you will put your name, obviously your email, and then a password. Please be aware, you need in the password needs to be, see, as you can see, 6 to 25 characters at least, and needs to have one capital letter, a number, and one of the special characters here. See, and yeah, that's it. Here, repeat the password, obviously, and here you can choose. You need to accept the terms and conditions, obviously. If you wish, you can be you can join to the affiliate program. I suggest to do that. That means then that you are also an affiliate and you will see some products with this uh, with this tag on it. That means that product can be you can do as an affiliate for that product or service, and as you share the links and somebody would buy from you, then you would earn up to 50% and more, maybe in some cases. This is obviously for some products only and not on the whole website. And here, yes, I want to get the most of Universum receiving the emails. That means, yeah, you will get marketing emails and you will get some really important information about updates and things. So I would suggest to join this as well. You will not get that many emails, but just sometimes for something. And then you need to complete the security verification, obviously, here to check that you are human and everything. Yeah. And once you have done that, you will get an email as well that you have everything worked fine. Then you go again on the sign in, click on the alien, and you will have here. You will put your email, your password. If you forgot your password, there is the forgot button, so you will get an email and so on. And once you have joined, once you have clicked login, you will come back to this, and you will have here an astronaut instead. That means you are logged in. You will have here an astronaut, and this is the rocket. That means this is to log out. And yeah, then you go on the freelancer and click on the hover on the, yeah, here, and go on the freelancer, and you will come to this, something like this. It will look like something like this. Here you see already some services. The house, that means home button. That this is on every site. If you click on the home button, you will come back on the main page. The astronaut, that's your profile. Here are the messages. Then the rocket to log out. Here you can choose if you want to, depends on which country you are and so on. So you can choose even the currency, the support button as well again. So yeah, here are the categories, different categories. Here are the levels. Level 1, level 2, level 3. That means if somebody has sold more than £1,000 as a a freelancer has sold more than £1,000, for example, then he will be level level one, and then more than £2,000, level two, and then level three, and so on. Yeah, here you can see just different services, and here are like packages. That means there are three different tiers of packages. You can, as a seller, you can put more pictures and videos here, okay, that the buyer will see, and so on. And then you can put the time, how long it takes, the revisions, the number of revisions. Here, these are like features. So in one package, maybe there is, maybe see here in the basic one there is the preview, and the second one it isn't, and like, yeah, and so on. So you can just add more and less things. You see here the freelancer, the picture, and the name, the review, the star thing, and can be shared, and so on. And then if you would click, for example, on a freelancer, just let's take one casually. So here is just one picture in this case, but yeah, you would see the freelancer on the side, and then here the packages, what's included, what not. So the delivery time, 1 day, 2 days, 4 days, the revisions, how many revisions he's willing to do, and yeah, and this here should be the big description. Actually, here should be the big description, and here should be just a short one that says a little bit the difference between the basic and the standard and the premium package. And yeah, these are different prices and so on. So this would be, yeah, this doesn't look really that nice as it is for now, but it's just as an example, not to explain. This is, yeah, it shouldn't be looking like this. Should be nicer probably. Yeah, and here is services, projects. So I said if you click on services, you come on the services, and by projects we mean, now let me explain services. Services is a freelancer posts a service. So he says, for example, I'm going to do logo design. I'm a logo designer, and he has packages. So a buyer would come here and say, okay, I want create a logo which has this and that, and he buys from the freelancer. And projects in that case is more on the buyer side. The buyer would post a project. He would say, I need, let's say, logo design, and then any freelancer can just apply and say, okay, I offer my logo design for £20. And then there is another freelancer that says, I'm gonna offer my logo design for £18 and has this and that included, and so on. This is just, yeah, to explain. And to be yeah, to post a service, you would click here and then go on settings, click on settings, and you would get something like this. Here you would put the profile picture and the background of the thing. You put here your name, your last name, your username. Probably that's not possible to change, I think. But yeah, you put your address, your country, and then you put a short description about you. A long description is up to you. You can, better is maybe to put a longer one where you describe yourself, your whatever you're offering. Here you can choose the fonts and the formats. You can do it really nice as you wish, you know. The nicer you do it, the better it is for you, because buyers will see that and it will be easier than to sell afterwards. And then, yeah, you are posting a service, so you would post a service. It will be, so here's the buyer dashboard. That means if you are like a buyer and you're looking for a service, for example, let's say I look for a logo designer, I could create a project, and then I'm looking for, and then put the categories, enter the budget and whatever description, and then freelancers would apply. here managed, and I will have multiple things, and somebody will then try to, yeah, there are multiple things. Then here you can see the freelancers that are hired to do this project and so on. But if I want to offer a service like a freelancer, I would go on this part. I would go on create a service. I would here upload some pictures or videos or whatever as a preview that would come then here. You see only one here in this case, but and I'm just gonna show you shortly here how it works. So here you can choose, for example, just choose a picture or a video. This is the main one, and then here you can add more, which is the ones that you would see here then, you know, this ones. So to create a service, I would click here on create a service, and I would land on a window like this. It will be empty, and here in this window I can choose the main picture or video, whatever I want. You need to check that it's the right format. It cannot be different, and the size. So as an example, I could choose, say, I choose this one, and then here I can add more if I like videos and pictures, just like this. And yeah, once I'm done, uh, before I create a service, probably is best if I go to manage features. As a basic will be only preview, and now I did already. I clicked on manage features and I added some more things, like for example, PDF file, a Word file, and source file, and then I saved. And yeah, so now I have this as well, these options here. Yeah, so I'll write a title, anything, just to write a shorter title, then choose the category and subcategory, and then here currency. You can put whatever currency you want. And then here, this description, this should be the long description here. This should be the long description in which you describe the whole service in a long description. And here should be only a little description just to understand the difference between the different packages. Please be aware to make it, just short and nice, so it will look nice as well. So like for example, small logo, here's medium logo plus background, and big logo plus background plus text. And then you can obviously put different prices for each, growing obviously. Revisions, you have always to put at least one, but then you can put two or three, something that makes sense, because by revision we mean that you agree with the customer. The customer says, okay, I'm not happy with this first option, I would like it a bit different. And so that's meant as a revision, so maybe two or three, not too many, because that would make no sense as well. Like somebody has put like 25 revisions or 48 revisions. That makes no sense. Like something that makes sense, two, three revisions, four, five, something like this. The delivery time, 1 day, say 2 days, 3 days. That's up to you as well. And yeah, and then the first package, maybe there is only the preview, whatever. Then the second one is a bit more, and then the third one even more. Then you can add here extra service, maybe make a logo that moves and is alive, and that will be 20 more pounds on top in this case. And then here, video consultation, that means you would be willing to have a consultation, a video call, so to say, with the customer to agree on things, or to talk things through and whatever. And then you click on create service. And then once the service is uh, created, it has to be approved from the admin. And once the admin approves, you will see it on the side here. Yeah. So once the admin approves, So it will be like this, and once the admin approves, it will be in approved, obviously. And yeah, the admin has approved, so it will look something like this. See, and the video will be as well. Yeah, now I don't know why it isn't, but it should be also the video. And then you can see the different packages. Here you see small logo, very nice, well done. It's 1 day, and here you can see that the customer can go and see the ticks. So there is no source file, PDF file, no nothing. Is only the preview, and then standard. He will see he will get PDF file and the preview, and then the premium, something like this. And if he would click on here, so this is how it would look like with the video. Not sure why the video didn't work this time, but it should be. And here, see, this is how it should look like. So you see the difference between the packages. Extra service will be with this, and the description. That's it. And then somebody could go on the profile and see the profile with the pictures, obviously. And here are the services, and so on.